Home. For some, it is a place where they want to live due to inner wounds. But for some, it is where they want to return to despite those wounds. Through novels about returning home, writer Chun Sang-guk presents the possibilities of recovering from the injured lives and inner wounds. Not only does he look into individuals' lives on the way home, but also into history as a whole.
On May 25th in Seoul, writer Chun Sang-guk was invited to the first meeting of Spanish readers and writers. In this event, where about 20 diplomats and resident officers from Latin America came together, a heated debate arose on his representative piece, Abe's Family. The unexpected interest from Latin Americans, still an unfamiliar scene in Korea, came as a pleasant surprise for Chun Sang-guk.
막상 그 독자들을 만나니까 그 언어로 내 작품이 번역됐다는 거에 대한 어떤 그 자부를 느끼고 굉장히 좋더라고요. 그래서 그쪽 문화에 대해서 나는 사실 거의 문외한이었는데 내 작품이 번역됨으로 해서 그쪽 문화, 그 사람들의 생각을 읽을 수 있게 되는 것, 역으로 작품을 통해서 그들에게 작품이 읽힘으로써 내가 그들의 문화를 접하게 된 이런 아마 경우가 될 거라고 생각합니다.
The readers who gathered this day said that through Abe's Family, they were able to discover a new aspect of the Korean War which they hadn't been able to see before. Unlike war literature pieces of the past, this piece presented the painful problems of the division, which settled as bigger wounds than the war itself. His work especially attracted attention for directly asking the meaning of the American soldiers being at the site of the division. Korea had become the victim of the war by others' intentions.
아베 가족은 우리 한국 사람들이 다 그 피해자라는 어떤 그 인식에서 출발했거든요. 결국 전쟁이라는 거는 가해와 피해의 그 악순환이라고 할 수 있습니다. 그런 그 악순환 과정에서 우리 한국인은 고스란히 그 피해자의 역할만 했다. 이런 생각을 이제 하게 되면서
This novel starts off with Kim Jin-ho, whose parents have gone through the war, returning home to find his half-brother Abe. Abe became a deficient child from a shocking experience when his mother was raped by an American soldier in the Korean War. He is a scapegoat of history. Abe is a wound that people do not want to remember, but they finally realize that Abe is a passage for a complete life for Kim Jin-ho and his family.
우리 아베라고 하면은 우리가 잊고 사는 민족, 어떤 그 하나여야 할 것이 둘로 나눠진 데서 오는 어떤 비극성, 그 뿌리 뽑힌 것들, 그 예를 들면 그 아베는 우리 그 고장에서 이제 아버지를 아베라고 이렇게 부르는데 그 아버지 혹은 뿌리 그런 것들이 뽑힌 현상에 대한 생각 이런 것들을 쓰게 된 거죠.
Chun Sang-guk. His life is based on the memories of war. He writes about matters that he went through during the war when he was only 10. His readers are always dazzled by his unique writing method. The themes of Chun Sang-guk's novels divide into two categories. One of them is of the Korean War with a new perspective shown in Abe's family. The other is of a small community school, which he was able to discover through his long years of teaching. His representative work of the theme of school is Tears of an Idol. This piece deals with the conflict between a problematic student, a model student, and their teacher. The reason that this piece attracts readers is because the writer describes the model student and teacher as hypocrites who pretend to be genuine. Through the problematic student who gets hurt by the legitimate power of the model student and the teacher, the writer tells us about the terrible force of power.
우리의 한국 사회를 교실이라는 그런 공간으로 축소시켜서 좁혀서 한번 상징적으로 그려본 거죠. 그래서 아마 교실을 배경으로 한 소설들이라면 주로 그것을 주제면에서 얘기한다면은 어떤 폭력의 문제, 즉 힘이 제대로 좋게 써야 되는데 잘못 쓰이는 힘에 대한 불만, 그것이 이제 소위 악이라든가 또 잘못 쓰이는 권력이라든가 이런 거에 대한 작가적인 불만을 이제 교실을 하나의 그 상징 무대로 해놓고 이렇게 했던 것이죠.
In his 20 years as a writer, Chun Sang-guk presented about 70 pieces of work. Now he is in his hometown, working to find his new roots. He is busy working for the name of writer Kim Yoo-jung, who had also lived there. Kim Yoo-jung was a talented writer who died at the young age of 29. He had no family and did not leave any pieces of article behind. Yet Chun Sang-guk is working to engrave Kim Yoo-jung's name in people's memories. This is perhaps the same thing as looking at his own future through a mirror. After all, writers wish to be remembered by everybody more than anything else.
나는 열등감 체질이었거든요. 열등 컴플렉스. 그 열등한 것을 극복하기 위한 방법으로 뭔가 감추는 거죠. 그 감추는 방법으로 글쓰기를 시작한 것 같아요. 그래서 하다 보니까 이 세상 사는데 내가 가장 나한테 무언가 맞을까? 무엇이 즐거운 일일까? 이럴 때 글쓰기가 가장 나한테 맞고 즐겁더라고요. 이것밖에 할 수 없는 거죠.
War and education. Based on his own experiences, Chun Sang-guk was able to create an atmosphere of sympathy between many people through the challenge toward a new problem.
There are wounds that won't go away even when we try to shake them off. For those who have gone through the Korean War, that historical event is the wound. But for the generations before and after that time, it is only a historical fact. By expressing the pains of the past generation to modern people, Chun Sang-guk strives to find a clue to the unresolved reconciliation.